Bigger, badder, bolder. Introducing the totally reinvented Sportsman XP 1000. A 90-horse ProStar engine makes it the most powerful ATV the world has ever seen. But this big bore is about more than just power. The all-new design is sport-inspired, with a narrower seat and deeper footwells that make it easy to throw your weight around. Clearer sightlines over the bars help you see the point of attack, while the extra-wide fender flares let you throw rocks all day long without getting hit. Underneath, arched A-arms expand the sweet spot of the industry's highest ground clearance. And then there's this, the industry's first and only 3-mode throttle control. Performance mode uncorks everything the beast has in it. Work mode keeps it on a short leash when you need precise control and sure-footed power. Standard mode is the ultimate blend of power and torque for everything in between. And the new XP 1000 is a beast of a workhorse, too. Steel-reinforced racks, integrated 5-gallon bucket holders, and the industry's most integrated storage. Biggest, baddest, boldest. The totally reinvented Sportsman XP 1000.